I think this is gonna be a pretty short video. Hey, what's up guys? Today I am at Peregrine Motors, and the reason we are here today is because I want to tell you guys that if you want to rent a motorcycle like Class 2B, 2A, 2, you can do so here at Peregrine Motors. So they specialize in sports bikes, so for those of you who are interested in renting like a Yamaha R6, Yamaha R1, CBR 600, Gixxer 600, you can do so over here. I rented the Gixxer 600 from them last year and also the Yamaha R6, so now I'm trying out the CBR 600. It's this one. For those of you who don't have a Class 2 license, you should get your Class 2 license. But yeah, don't worry for those of you who don't have your Class 2, because they do have bikes like the Super 4, which is a Class 2A bike. And for Class 2B bikes, they have the Aprilia RS125, they have the KTM Duke, and they also have a few other smaller bikes. They also do exporting for your bike, so let's say your bike COE is up already, you can come here and let them scrap your bike for you. Or let's say your bike was involved in an accident or something, touch wood, don't involve an accident, but yeah, let's say it was involved in an accident and you don't want to repair it, you can actually bring your bike to them and they will scrap it for you as well. So I think this is a good place for those of you who just got your Class 2B license and you want to try out different bikes, or for those of you who just got your Class 2A or Class 2 and you want to try a bike before you buy it, you can do so over here as well. So one of the biggest questions people have when renting a motorcycle is the insurance. So don't worry, because Peregrine Motors is a legitimate business, they are registered, so they have fleet insurance for their bikes. So all their bikes are covered by insurance basically. So when you rent from them, you don't have to worry about insurance and all that stuff. And also, if you rent a bike from them, they do like daily, weekly and long-term rentals. If you rent a bike from them, all the maintenance and servicing is handled by them as well, so you don't have to worry about that either. I've rented from them before and I can vouch for their services. They are really friendly guys, very knowledgeable about motorcycles as well. So yeah, for those of you who are looking to rent a bike, you can check them out, links in the description below.